Berries, it's Sherry the Berry here, and as you can see, we are doing some Halloween looks, some easy Halloween looks because I'm not good at makeup. I'm not good at makeup. I be seeing some people slay makeup, and I be like, I wish. I feel like I gotta get the basics down, and I can do that extra. Anyway, if you are new here, hey, I be calling y'all berries, like people that's watching and subscribing, like y'all my berries. Like I'm Sherry the Berry and y'all the berries. So, okay, so I went on TikTok and I saw a few makeup looks that was very simple. Either you don't know how to do makeup or you just like want to have a quick makeup look. I'm going to show you the TikTok. I'm going to show you who made it, obviously, because make sure you give credit to the people that you see do stuff that you took ideas from. Please give credit to that person, please. And I am going to put a little twist to it. And we all have a little bit of creativity, and I don't want to just like take her idea, obviously, but I did use that as a blueprint, no doubt. So this is a video that I saw. And yeah, I want to recreate it. I got my hair in these bands too. The front is very like parked well, but the back not really parked well because I didn't want to. Yeah, it's just the front that I really want to show. Anyway, let me get it on. So I have my face nice and moisturized. I already washed my face and moisturized it. Now I'm going to just do my basic makeup. I don't wear foundation. A video about how I do my minimal makeup will be out soon, so I'm not going to give you guys a lot of detail. All the details are going to be with the actual look. Alright, so this is my basic look without a lip, without mascara. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to do my lip now. I got this from Target. It's kind of like a brownish, colorish. But I'm going to line it up, and I want to use the Fenty, like the pinkish, because it is like a pink look. I'm going to be looking over here because my mirror right here, but y'all know what I'm doing. Now, why y'all got y'all... Alright, and it's getting louder. Oh, it's leaving. It's like the sirens from the Purge. They don't think. And I'm gonna just put my gloss on over it like that. So I want like a glossy pinkish look. Now it's time to do it. But anyway, turn these pink. I saw a video on that, so I'm gonna do that too. So this is how it looks. I'm trying to make it like tone out the black first and then put the pink over the brown. So I use this concealer here. It's in like hazelnut, and I use my mint dark setting powder. I'm gonna put the pink now, so I'm gonna be using this palette later. It's the NYX Ultimate powder. Very colorful, very pretty. I'm going to be using this pink here. All right, so I'm putting it on there, and it's not coming out as pink as I thought it would, but they're not black anymore, which I love. So here's how they came out, like that. I hope you guys can see it. I just keep putting lots and lots of layers on there, and it's going to eventually pick up that pink top and the bottom. One is more pink than the other. I'm looking in the thing too so I can see what y'all see. Like this one is more pink than that one, but you can always put a little like pink, like flip it up. I'm not the best at putting on lashes, so they may look a little dainty to you, or they may look a little funny to you, but it's just gonna be what it is. So the next thing that we are going to do is the white. So first I'm gonna do the eyes. I'm ready. I have this. It is the Fantasy Maker Wet n Wild multi-stick. So You can use this for anything. I'm nervous actually. Dang. It's gonna come up just a little over my eyebrow. Cause with my circle, I don't want it to like, you know, intersect. So just gonna put it a little over my eyebrow and then down. Uh-oh. Like that. Oh, that's cute. It's kind of hard drawing on my face because, you know, our face is soft and it has like wrinkles. Since you will already have makeup on, make sure you keep a napkin. Your makeup is going to get on the white. So just to make sure you are having that white consistency all over, just wipe it occasionally so you do your next thing, you know. But yeah. Uh-oh, I messed up. All right, that's fixed. All right, those are the eyes. Like, they look really good. And they're just comparing each other, going up a little one, down a little one. It's obviously not perfect, but if you did tune into this because you wanted to be fast, you don't have to be perfect. Boo, just draw your things on and go. Next thing is going to draw a circle from around my forehead to the end of my lip. Oh, this is about to come out so great. We're gonna put X's right here and then 3 stripes on both lips. With the stripes on my lips, I think I'm gonna use my cream makeup. I feel like this pencil would just be too messy on the lip gloss. But let's see. X here and the X here. I'm going to get this little pencil here and then use this. And it comes out just like that. Y'all seeing the vision? It's looking good though. I'm a little nervous with this by my mouth this close. So hopefully it just dries fast. But I am going to start smudging the pink all around because obviously it's going to be pink. And I also have some glow in the dark because I want to put that on top of the pink. Okay, it's not taking forever to dry. But let me just keep doing this. I'm feeling this already. I see the vision. Next, I'm gonna get this brush here. It's like a flattish brush. I'm gonna use that same pink I used to do the lashes. Yeah, start at the top. And I'm kind of doing it like sporadically around. I feel like I did too much right here, so it kind of made that white turn into pink. But I don't want the white to be like gone. I still want that white there, but just like the pink around it. So I'm kind of like dabbing just around it, like not directly on it like I did this one right here. This is what I was looking for. Yes, 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 yes. I'm gonna put a little word up top. Like, what should I put at the top? Love. I should put love on here. Do it start from this way or this way? And it's gonna be kind of crossed out because ain't no love. This is the purge. Ooh. Yeah, it look a little crazy, but that's how it's supposed to. And I love how it's not hard to come off. Like if you make a mistake, you don't like water. I just had a paper towel if I made a mistake. So the next thing I am going to do is line it with glow in the dark stuff. I think I'm pretty much done. It's quick. Like X's, circle. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 X's in a circle and 6 lines. And if you want to do the thing up top, you can, but like that's optional. I have it, the green makeup. Cream makeup is the same as the white one, but this one is just glow in the dark. I'm going to just like line it up so we can have that glow in the dark effect when I turn the lights off. So I lined it all with my Halloween glow. So this is the final look. Yeah, it didn't take long. All you gotta do is do some basic makeup. You really don't even have to be honest. If you want to put some lashes on, you can, but you don't really need to be honest. But if you just want to just do the circle and the little slits and stuff like that, or you can just dress it up. You can put some glitter around it. You can do like another color. Put like words down here, anything like that. Like I think that would be super cute, but I feel like this is so cute with the hairstyle, like purge style. I'm gonna let it dry because we really don't want makeup that can like easily come off, which is another thing. So let me let this dry down and I'll come back with you guys and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm working this out. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Any ideas for Halloween? Like, was it as easy as I said it was gonna be? Is it more complicated than I'm making it? Look, let me get my whole look ready and then I'll be back. And we're gonna see how it is with the glow in the dark stuff because I tested it out, but let's see how it is. But I'll be right back. All right, so this is the whole look. The glow in the dark didn't really work. I'm gonna turn all the lights off actually. You see it's on like a few, but obviously I guess you can just let me just turn the light on while I'm talking to y'all in the dark. Where the light at? Oh my gosh, I can't see. Oh my gosh. As you saw, it wasn't too much glow in the dark. I guess you gotta use a lot of this, but I feel like when I was putting so much on there, it was kind of taken away from it. So I was fine with no glow in the dark. That was fine with me. I just got this regular shirt because that's what the purge will be wearing, like the little white button up. So yeah, let me know what you think about it and what you may dress up as for Halloween despite Corona. But be safe, y'all. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is part 1. You'll get 2 more looks from me. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the chillest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video.